Hey guys, today we're making banana, oats, mixed nuts, and orange smoothie for weight loss and to get vital nutrients into your body and to also be part of your 5 a day. First thing, I'm going to prep my orange and banana. First, we're going to prep my banana. I'm going to peel it and cut it into chunks. That's my banana prepped. Now onto my orange. I'm going to peel it. That's my ingredients prepped. It's now going to put them all into my speed blender. Okay guys, so first goes in my oats. After that, my mixed nuts. Next, my orange and bananas. Next, my orange bananas. I will now add a bit of water and cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay guys, I've just finished blending up my nice fine smoothie. Look at that lovely caramel colour. It is now time to serve it. This smoothie is very beneficial weight loss and can also be served as part of your 5 a day. Let me know in the comments section below which country you watch me from. As we are now come to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.